Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I am going to show you how you can download stake betting app in Android. Now if you head over to Play Store, you will find out that the stake betting app is not there. For example, when you click search tab on the Play Store and then you search for stake, you will not be able to see it here. What you'll be seeing here are other casino stake apps. So in order for you to download stake betting app, the right one, this is what you're going to do. Now first of all, you head back, then on your Android phone enter Chrome browser. On the Chrome browser, click on the search tab. On the search tab, type stake. After typing stake, you send for it, then different links will appear. Just head directly to the stake.com website. So you click on it when you get it and wait for it to load. Now on the stake website, this is what you have to do for you to download and install the stake app. Now this is what you're going to do. Now on the stake app, you have to click the three dots at the right corner of the app. It's at the right top there, the three dots. Then you scroll down. What you are going to do now is to install a shortcut, because stake does not originally have an app. Once you scroll down, you will see install and create shortcut. Click on it and then they will say install app. Click install. Once you click install, you have downloaded and then installed it as a shortcut on the Chrome browser. It will now be easier for you to access the app, to access the website. It will now look like app. So this is how you can be able to do this. And this comes to the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.